Okay, friends, good evening to all of you. Today, Green Circle is having its web chat. I thought instead of having a senior experts lecture on this very basic thing, that is how to manage the household waste. Intricacies of household waste. Every one of you know what is waste management. Household waste has to be managed. You must be knowing some idea about the composting and other things all. But the thing is, today we thought that we will share our experiences. Basically, those who are at this job, actually, I'm not going to any big experts to find out what are the complexities of waste management, household waste management. In fact, our main idea and main focus was to have a chat among all of us. Everyone can join this discussion once the our main speaker, Mrs. Ranjana Saraf, addresses for about 15-20 minutes. Just she will be addressing, she will be sharing her experience on household waste management. Incidentally, Ranjana Saraf is our member, Green Circle member, and she is a regular participant in our Shramdan also. When before COVID-19 was there, we used to have Saturday Shramdan, and Ranjana used to be there in the Shramdan also. She is a good active environmental activist, and we hope that we will be hearing some good information from her. And basically, I am just identifying the people who are amidst us and who are doing their, some of the environmental activities. I have just seen that Ranjana was doing some home composting and biofertilizer. Like this, some kind of course she has attended, in fact, and COVID-19 she has very usefully used. And during that period, she has gone for some online courses, and she has experimented it at her own home and found that it is very viable and it's feasible. And she has shared it in our WhatsApp group also sometimes, how she is doing it and all those things. So we hope that some kind of experience from her will help us to have more insights into the composting, home composting, and home waste management. Whenever I'm talking about home waste management, I'm not only talking about the kitchen waste. If you see the waste in the home, every single aspect of house, including energy, everything will come there in order to see that our household is properly managed. So Ranjana, Ranjana now she is basically she's a professional in her own business, that is jewelries and home decors she is doing, and she has started it very recently. And she's also an environmental activist with and a down to earth worker with along with the Green Circle. We are proud to have such people with us. Many of the people who are here, as I'm seeing in the names appearing, many of you have been with us in Green Circle in many of the environmental. So today, I just hand over the mic to her, Ranjana Saraf, to start discussing her practical experiences, and she will be telling it for 15-20 minutes. And beyond that, we will all have chat, and we will all share what is to be done, what are the things there, all those things we can do.
So I'm starting from banana peels, how to use this banana peels to make a fertilizer. There is two process to use these banana peels. First, after eating banana, normally we throw in dustbin. But what I do, I collect and dry it in the sun dry. Sun dry karke isko, then I make the crush it and make a powder, and then I keep in the bottle. And 1 spoon of this powder you can use as a good fertilizer in your plants. In every 15 days, you can put 1 spoon of this dry banana crushed fertilizer for your plant. Second way you can use it, you can just chop it and put it in a normal water, just like I put it here. Chop the banana and put it in the normal water and just keep it for 3 days. Then I just sear it. मैंने इसे छन्नी से छान लिया. And just keep this water for a good fertilizer. You can mix one portion of this water and more than 5 times normal water. Make a mixer and put little bit, I think around 10 ml, 20 ml in every plant. This is also very good fertilizer. Okay. This is the uses of this banana peels. Okay. Second, I'm doing, after puja, we throw these flowers. Some people they dig these flowers in the ground also. But what I do, I just put them in dry sun rays, dry it. Then I get all this and make the sapling of all this. And use again, ये saplings plant बन जाते, again they gives flower. So I use all this in this way. Then we eat, normally in our house, we eat orange. We use juices of orange, lemons and all. I just sun dry them and put it. For me, use all this for my composting. Or you can use in bioenzyme, making bioenzyme. I made around 20 liters bioenzyme during this lockdown period. Just wastage of my lemon extracts. Lemon के जो छिलके होते हैं, I just put it here. If you're seeing this, just मैंने इसे chop करके रखा है. Easily you can make it through this. Now I'm telling you how to make this bioenzyme. The waste of your any vegetable peels. Actually, I'm making this only for lemon peels because it gives a very good smell. Citrus fruits always, they have good smell. I have made around 20 liters. See this? You can use it to cleaning your vegetables. You clean your tables. You clean your house. You can put in your, even cleaning your floor also. How to make it? We just chop the vegetables. This is lemon peels. This is pea leaves. Chop this and full this. 3 parts of this lemon or any peels, any vegetables peels, 3 parts of this. 1 part of jaggery and the rest of the fill up with water. There is nothing we have to do this. We just keep it once in a day. We open the cap, release the gas and just close. Once in a day, we just open the cap and release the gas and just put it. Within 3 months, first time it takes 3 months to ready. Then we can stir it. Sieve का use करके हम stir कर लिए. Then we use it like this. What I fill up in the bottle. Okay. Second time when you are making, we use the extract of this to make next time. Then it takes only 1 month because we use the extract. So it takes 1 month. You can use anywhere without using all the chemicals to cleaning your vegetables. You spoil your soil also. If you're using these things, your soils takes good fertilizers. और कुछ भी environment को हम harm नहीं कर रहे हैं. अगर आपको use chemicals वगैरह use करते हो तो you are spoiling the soil. और इसको यूज करते योर सॉइल गेटिंग फर्टिलाइजर डायरेक्टली। ऐसे ही मैं बहुत सी चीजें करती हूँ, जैसे मैंने अपने आरओ का जो वाटर है, वी जस्ट कलेक्टेड दैट वाटर, वी यूज्ड इन वॉशिंग, पोछे लगाने में, इन एवरीवेयर। वी डोंट थ्रो दैट आल्सो, वी कीप अ बकेट, स्टोर ऑल द, इवन ऑल द एसीज, जो एसी हमारे घर में लगे हुए, वी कीप अ पाइप एंड कीप अ बॉटल इन एवरी एसी, with every AC. We collect that, we use in our plant. We use, so we don't waste anything. We use our vegetable peels, we use our fruit peels, we use all the waste water. तो हमारे घर से कूड़ा नहीं निकलता है, बहुत थोड़ा सा निकलता है, यानी कि इन्वायरमेंट में हम सब कुछ ले जाके कि वी आर थ्रोइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो दिस वे आई एम यूजिंग ऑल दिस. With this vegetable space, I'm making composting at home. I'm using clay khamba. You are all you are aware about clay khamba, or you can do it at in your house in a bucket also. Do some holes. So in that also I use this vegetable paste, which is very good in nitrogen का source होता है इसमें. Nitrogen, too much nitrogen in this vegetable paste, and all green leaves also they have nitrogen. And then I use dry leaves जो gardens में होते हैं, that is the good source of carbon. So I just use both two things and make compost. To make the compost in home, you just need 1 portion of this vegetables, means nitrogen. You need 1 portion of nitrogen which you get from the vegetables peels or your fruit peels, and 2 portion of dry leaves which contains carbons. Okay. And composting का तो पूरा process is, it's a big process. I'm just telling you कि how to use this. First we put this in khamba. First we spread a normal newspaper, which is not glassy newspaper. It's a rough newspapers, or you can use a cardboard also. Then we put this vegetables, whatever vegetable peels we getting from our kitchen. Then we put this dry leaves. I want some, if you want fine, एकदम fine आपको चाहिए ये, तो you can put this used tea leaves. And I am putting some coco peat also. आप नॉर्मल नारियल अपने घर में यूज करते हो तो उसके ऊपर का जो होता है, you can just crush it in the mixie and you get this coco peat. I am using this also, making the layer of all this, and it's easy to make the compost. If you are using citrus fruit in a normal level, means you are putting 1 handful, then it's okay. But if you are using citrus fruit, too much citrus fruit in your compost, then put too much carbon also, because it's acidic. So कार्बन हमें उसमें ज्यादा एड ऑन करना पड़ेगा. बट थोड़ा सा अगर यूज करते हो कंपोस्ट बनाने में, तो देयर इज नो नीड कि आपको ज्यादा ये डालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. इफ एनीबडी वांट टू नो कि क्या क्या प्रोसेस रहता है, कैसे डालना रहता है, इट्स वेरी फाइन. दिस इज ऑल आई मेड through these all vegetable peels. I put a little bit cow dung also. Fresh cow dung I put for micros. I never put any worms, purchase worms and put red worms or anything, never. I just bring fresh cow dung, desi cow dung, and put little bit in my compost. It has lots of micros. So we don't need to purchase red worms to make compost better. Yeah. These things I'm doing at my home to save the environment and using lifestyle without zero waste lifestyle. Yeah. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ranjana, for your practical experience in this thing. And one question has come from one of our participants that I would like to ask: how to store the compost? Yeah, Ranjana, any ideas?
How to store after when it's ready?
Huh.
Yeah, when it's ready, when it's ready, I just put it in a brown cotton paper bags. I put it for 2 weeks to mature it. जब ये 2 weeks तक उसमें रख के जब वो matured हो जाता है, then you can keep anywhere in your any container, steel container, plastic container, paper container, anywhere you have to put it and use it in a very easy way. You can use in suppose आपका इतना बड़ा गमला है, suppose अगर आपका इतना बड़ा सा गमला है, suppose 10 inches, 12 inches,
center.
Yeah, 10 inches or 12 inches का आपका पॉट है, suppose इससे बड़ा रहेगा, ये तो बहुत पतला सा है, बहुत मोटा सा है. You need 1 handful of compost every 15 days. Every 15 days. और उसको डालने का तरीका क्या होता है? You just dig the soil, then put this compost, then put little bit soil again. क्योंकि डायरेक्ट जब सनलाइट इस पे आता है तो इसके न्यूट्रिएंट जो होते हैं वो सनरेज से फिनिश हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि माइक्रो जो होते हैं वो डेड हो जाएंगे. सो यू ऑलवेज यू हैव टू फिल दिस विथ सॉइल आल्सो अगेन and then put water. It's very easy to use. Generally what I am doing, because I have a BG lifestyle, तो I just put जहाँ मेरे प्लांट है वहां पे मैंने छोटे छोटे बॉटल्स में कंपोस्ट को मैंने स्टोर करके रख दिया है कि दिस एरिया में एक बॉटल मेरा पड़ा हुआ है, मुझे इसको 15 डेज में डालना है. तो दिस इज द इजी वे टू यूज and easy to store also. You can use your bottles जो आपके और भी चीजों में यूज होते हैं, you just use that bottles. So I generally store in a small bottles in different area where my plant is there. So it's easy to use for me. Yeah.
I tried composting with fruit peels and vegetable peels, but then it becomes very gooey, messy type, na, instead of the granular one you showed us.
I just tell you how to. Yeah. I got it. What you are facing.
Yeah.
If you are using only this contains nitrogen, it's messy also. अगर आप इसको ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं और आपने उसमें कार्बन की क्वांटिटी 2, अगर आपने 1 पोर्शन इसको लिया नाइट्रोजन को, जो कि आपने कोई भी ग्रीन चीज, अगर ग्रीन आप लीव्स भी ले रहे हो, दैट इज आल्सो कम इन दिस, वो नाइट्रोजन में आएगा. ग्रीन लीव्स को आप कार्बन में नहीं लोगे. और आपने उसके बदले 2, मतलब ये पोर्शन 1 पोर्शन ये लिया तो 2 पोर्शन उसका डबल आपको ड्राई लीव्स यूज करना है. अगर आप ड्राई लीव्स कम यूज कर रहे हो, देन यू आर फेसिंग दिस टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. दैट टाइम यू हैव टू इंक्लूड मोर ड्राई लीव्स, more brownish. You can put you can tear the newspaper also. Normally we use cartons in our house na. You can tear that cartons and you just put in that. I just kept it here na.
Okay.
Cartons. Yeah, you can put cartons. That is very good option. वो absorb कर लेते हैं पूरी उसकी weight को. और normally winters में ये problem और बारिश के मौसम में ये problem ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि moisture ज्यादा बनता है. ये देखो, ये see this cartons.
Yes.
Yeah, you just tear it. You use as a brown. Right. You can use this also. You can use this dry leaves also. If dry leaves is lesser than this, then you're facing this type of problem.
Okay.
If you are using too much citrus, that is also problem. अगर citrus ले रहे हो तो आपको कार्बन की क्वांटिटी बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. That is also the problem.
What if we don't want to eat cow dung and all?
काउ डंग आपको माइक्रो चाहिए रहता है उसको, जैसे हम रेड वॉर्म्स मार्केट से लाके या वॉर्म्स लाके डालते हैं उसमें. अगर आप काउ डंग डालते हो उसमें 1000 माइक्रोज होते हैं. तो one handful of cow dung if you put ना, तो इजिली उसमें माइक्रोज होते हैं जो कि इसको बनाने की जो डेंसिटी तो उसको बहुत
कर देते हैं,
बढ़ा देते हैं. तो आई एम यूजिंग काउ डंग. You can get it easily from any Gosala. Yeah.
Okay.
And it takes more time in winter and that rainy season it gets moisture. Or don't put it on the sun direct on sun.
Humid only.
Yeah.
Acha, welcome. One more question has come from Hasita. I think आप लोग भी unmute करके बात कर सकते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. फिर भी चैट में जो आ गया मैं रीड करूंगा. Can dried cow dung be used? अगर कोई आंसर है तो बताओ. कोई भी इसमें इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं. ये नहीं है रंजना must be giving आंसर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कोई भी इसका रिप्लाई दे सकते हैं. Can dried cow dung be used?
I think dried cow dung will not be having those microbes, so I don't think it can be used.
Yeah, it has to be wet.
Yes. You're
right. It has to be wet and
yes, you are
lumpy
right.
kind. Yes. And what I'm doing, I'll share my experience. What I normally do is, like in the winters, there are a lot of peas and peels of peas and these palak stems and all. I just boil them all and cool the water, drain the water, and then use it to water my plants. So instead of hello.
Yeah.
Instead of composting, I sometimes do that also.
Okay.
I'm using one more thing. When we clean our rice and dal, normally we pulses ko hum clean karte hain, rice ko. This is a very good source of protein for plant. So I collect this also. I am also collecting this. आज मैंने क्लीन करके रखा था कि मैं सो करूँ इसे. I am using all this in my plant. I never throw it because it's a very good source of protein and very good for your plant.
Any other question, please?
Ranjana, how about eggshells?
Yeah, you can put eggshells. Normally, I am not putting. You can use eggshells. It's a big, good source of calcium and protein. So many people are using. Actually, I am using that compost in tulsi plant also. That's why I am not using any non-vegetarian or eggshells. That's why I am not using. You can use.
How to use?
You can use.
Put them directly.
Just use the white portion. White portion up. White portion up. Upper part up. Hard part जो होता है उसको आप क्रश करके डाल सकते हो.
उसको just crush.
Yeah.
Crush
you just
shells.
Yeah. Crush the cells. Yeah.
Also, I wanted to check, Ranjana, is this activity happening at a society level, at a bigger level?
In some society, it's happening, but in my society, it's not happening. I think Selva sir give better answer because he is doing on the large level.
Actually, अभी ऐसे कोई यूनाइटेड मूवमेंट कुछ नहीं है अभी हमारे इसमें द्वारका में, लेकिन लेडीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कुछ लोग करते हैं. Like I think Neena Dhawan is doing something. I think she is doing some work. Archana is doing some work. तो मुझे पूरा आइडिया नहीं है. तो अगर कोई भी आप लीड करेंगे तो ये बहुत अच्छे एक सर्विस हो जाएगा. सब लोगों को भी जानकारी मिलेगा. I think Romila madam is also there in this group, and I am really very happy to see one from Mumbai. Meenal Tipnis sister, she was working with the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai and had got very wide knowledge about the composting and other things. I wish that she also shares something. Meenal Tipnis, please. Meenal Tipnis, you are there? Okay, let her come. और कोई भी है आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैं इसका नाम भी दे दिया इस Zoom इसका. It's not a meeting, it's a web chat. We need to chat and try to have some collective. Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yeah. Who is that?
I want to ask.
Yeah, please.
ये जो राइस वाटर और पल्सेस का वाटर है, वो प्लांट में क्या रेशियो में डालना चाहिए, और एंजाइम्स भी क्या रेशियो में डालना चाहिए? जो साइट्रस का एंजाइम बनाया या वेजिटेबल्स पील का, उसका रेशियो क्या रहना चाहिए?
एंजाइम्स का रेशियो ये रहता है कि सपोज आपका 10 लीटर हुआ तो उसमें 5 ml 10 ml वाटर एंड 1 spoon of 5 ml or 10 ml is enough for 1 liter. Okay.
And it is.
And you said आप इसको रात में डाल दो पूरी रात ये अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाता है, देन यू मॉर्निंग में आप इसको स्प्रे भी कर सकते हो। अगर प्लांट पे आप स्प्रे करते हो तो इंसेक्ट्स वगैरह से उसको सेफ रखता है। अगर इसको पानी, जैसे आपने सपोज आप केमिकल्स यूज करते हो वेजिटेबल्स क्लीनिंग के लिए, तो यू जस्ट पुट 1 स्पून ऑफ दिस बायो एंजाइम इन योर बकेट and put your vegetables. After cleaning that water you can use in your plant. That is आपने उस पानी को भी वेस्ट करने से बचा लिया and your plant getting a good fertilizer. And same way you can use this water also. So what is rice and then you can just use as a normal water. If you are putting this whole in one plant that need this much water, there is no harm. There is no harm.
Mixing, na? No mixing ratio. Any?
No
Directly
ratio for this. No ratio for this. Put directly, yeah. But this is always comes in a ratio.
Diluted.
Excuse me, members. Members are requested to kindly 1 minute, please.
Flower चाहता है ना? Hello.
Kindly mute yourself, please. Some of the members have not muted. Kindly mute yourself so that those who are asking questions can find it easy. Kindly mute yourself.
अगर वो बिल बन जाएगा 18-19 को कंप्लीट उसका।
Okay, I would like to hear from Mr. Datta. Mr. Datta is a senior environmental activist. Mr. Kumar, kindly mute yourself, Kumar ji.
18-19 तक हो जाएगा सर ये बिल जमा।
Okay, please.
18-19 तक बिल जमा कर पाऊंगा।
Datta sir, please go ahead.
एक ही बार में सही मान लो।
There was a reference
तो क्या करूंगी?
what
खाना बनाने लगा।
Agnihotri, please wait. Datta is asking something. Next you can ask.
नहीं पड़ रहा है एक ही बार
in the society.
मतलब एकदम।
One second, there is cross talking. Mr. Datta wants to first talk. Let him talk. After that, Rajat Agnihotri can talk, and then after that, other people. Please raise your hand also. I can see that your hands, and then we can discuss also. Please, Datta sir, please go ahead.
Sir, whatever we are doing in our respective fields individually, that has to be brought up to the society's level also. There was just a mention of it, but the reality is that none of us has been able to make the society people agree to this, or maybe they have a tendency not to heed to such requests.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you, Datta Sahab. It's really a good suggestion, and already somebody has asked about it, and let us definitely find out whether we can go ahead with this community level composting, or at least small groups ज्वाइन करके कुछ कर सकते तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा। रंजना, आप थोड़ा इसमें इनिशिएटिव लेना ज़रूरी है। अब ग्रीन सर्कल के बिहाफ में आप कुछ स्टार्ट कर लीजिए, हम आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे पूरा। ऐसे पहले वेब में भी बात कर सकते हैं, जूम मीटिंग में बात कर सकते हैं, और चाहिए तो हम हमारा अपना ओन मीटिंग भी रखेंगे कहीं ना कहीं जगह पे। ट्रू फ्रेंड्स है आपका, मैडम रोमिला मैडम है, कई लोग हैं, हम ज्वाइन करके हम कुछ इसके बारे में हम सोच सकते हैं। Thank you, Datta sir. Datta sir is a very senior environmental activist, and he has got very great fascination towards that tree shapes and all these things. He has done lots of exhibitions also. A very senior environmental activist in our group. Thank you very much, sir. Mr. Datta, please
just
be
a small
guiding us.
This thing, the most important is the RO waste water. Every household, I mean, if it is a society of 100 people, all 100 people, they are, wasting so much of gallons of, water. So my concern was that if on a community level, this can be handled.
Yes.
This waste.
See, like Ranjana madam ne bola tha, actually community level means like organizations like Green Circle, we must take the initiative.
We can, I mean.
We can do it, provided some people in our group, especially our sisters who are doing it actually if they are coming forward, we are ready to give the platform and we can do that one regularly. कोशिश करेंगे at least in one society we can start it, and then if it is good, then we can replicate it to other places. I am always concerned with the RO water wastage, coffee wastage.
Yes.
Every house we are wasting, and she has given a very nice suggestion that it can be used for. Yes, we all know this one.
Individually, we are handling. I'm sure that all the participants here must be doing these things on an individual level. But the concern is on a community level. And especially in high-rise buildings, if you see, all the kitchens are aligned, and most of the time the RO positioning is also at the same place in, housing apartments in a high-rise buildings.
Madam, where are you? You are in Dwarka only?
I am in Phillips Society, Sector 23, Dwarka.
Okay, I think very near to you is our Madam, I think Yasodhara is there. We can think of this.
Don't even use RO.
Yeah, you are doing. So we can think about it. If some of you are coming forward, please share your mobile number with us. My mobile number is there. Please share with us so that we can have some kind of arrangements for all of this.
That is why I did not install RO.
Which one?
We did not install RO because we are having normal water in our society. So we are just having filter.
Actually,
we moved to Dwarka way back in 2005.
Yes.
So,
at that time, yes.
Yeah, we really had a very hard time dealing with the water supply here in Dwarka.
Actually, the fact of the matter is now RO water is too much wasted because earlier the water quality was not so good.
Yes.
So completely now all the water is being siphoned out, drained out.
Yes. Now it is not required even.
Which is a good water actually.
Absolutely. Now last 4-5 years we are getting good water.
Yes.
So this is one of the concern. I am just taking it. I am making note of it. We will see what best can be done.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
One more question came in the chat box. Let me see that Garima wants to know, hope that RO water can be used for gardening. Well, there is controversy about that. I think gardening, it is not having certain nutrients, or it must be having some minerals, more minerals or something like that, which is not good for the plants. Actually, it cannot be used for the gardening, and the serious gardening, if you are doing it, cannot be used. This is what I feel.
I think this can be used best for the mopping of the floors.
Absolutely. So water has to be used in some way or other, and if it is not useful for the plants, we can use it for the cleaning purpose. Definitely. Good.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, Romila madam, so far we were waiting for you. Yes, please.
Actually, I was listening, and we have been using this RO water even for flushing and all, but it is very difficult now for us to carry bucket every time. So we were just looking for some option that water can be directly connected to our flushing system. I think that only society can help.
That's what I'm saying, because it has to be dealt on a society on a larger, scale.
I think I would like to place before Mr. Menon, who is here, who is the office bearer in Dwarka Forum. He is here. And Dwarka Forum is having connections to so many, societies and, RWAs of several DDF societies. I think Mr. Menon is the treasurer there, and he can carry this message to Dwarka Forum. We can think that in an organized pattern, from Green Circle, we are ready to give you support. Mr. Menon must be helping. Can I hear from Mr. Menon? Yes, he is there. Menon, Padmanabhan Menon. Okay, either he is not hearing or somehow it's not possible anyway. For cleaning purpose, it's fine. For flushing purpose, RO water, wastewater can be used in. I think there should not be any problem for the flushing purpose also. I think,
But the process is lengthy, no? The process is little hectic.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's not practical, rather.
Actually, we have become old, and it's very difficult to carry every time.
I know. I can understand. Yeah.
So whatever reasonably we can do it, that can be done, like, for mopping and all. That is a very reasonable
I think everyone is doing that. Maybe 80% or some people are doing.
Romila madam, with the Ranjana and all the guys, you can think of.
Sir, I have already talked to Ranjana about in our society.
Okay.
Let's see whether
you can bring out some brochures. You can bring out some notices so that we can create awareness first, and involve the societies how to do it in a larger scale and how to reach out to other people. जरा सा उसके लिए प्लान कर दीजिए रोमिला जी, आप कर सकते हैं.
सर प्लान कर दूंगी. बाकी ये है कि सोसाइटी के रेजिडेंट्स हैं, दे आर नॉट रेडी टू सेग्रीगेट पील्स फ्रॉम देयर अदर वेस्ट. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. और इट शुड बी मैंडेटरी. दैट इज, आई डोंट नो हाउ फार इट इज गोइंग टू बी पॉसिबल फॉर ऑल द सोसाइटीज.
Okay. Well, let's see. We will discuss. I will call you and let us see.
No problem, sir. We can plan. No problem.
Absolutely. Yes. Anyone else wants to talk to you? Talk to the people? Or any discussion or any questions? Yasodhara, is there anyone in the meeting in which society composting is done? Yes, Munish is not there. In Brahma apartment, it is going on in sector 7. I know it very well. I have seen it also. Community composting is there, and several societies are doing it in Dwarka. And I don't know about the other places outside Dwarka. People are from outside also are here, sitting here. What I am trying to say is, yes, it is possible. Sometimes they are in, I think Brahma apartment, they are going for a machine composting machine, and it was presented by the government because they have through some funding and all those things they have got it, and they are doing it. They are able to get some good, even that floral waste also he is doing some good work. I thought Manish will be present today. I am not finding him anywhere today. Anyway, in next sessions we can see how they are doing it in a better way, we can say. You didn't talk about the leachate produced during the composting. Yes, Ranjana, आप कुछ इसके बारे में बात करना चाहते हो?
वो जो फ्लाइंग्स आते हैं और लीचेट्स जो आते हैं वो तभी आते हैं जब आप उसको बहुत ज्यादा वेट रखोगे. अगर उसमें कार्बन की क्वांटिटी कम रहेगी तभी ये प्रॉब्लम आती है ज्यादा. फ्लाइज वगैरह जो आते हैं ना,
वही पूछ रहा.
हाँ, वही आते हैं जब आप ज्यादा वेट रखोगे, ज्यादा नाइट्रोजन डालोगे, उसके कंपेयर में कार्बन कम डालोगे, तभी ये प्रॉब्लम आती है. अदरवाइज ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है. बिकॉज अभी मेरे को हो गया 7-8 महीने, आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 1 year होने जा रहे हैं, तो आई एम नॉट फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम.
अच्छा, रजत अग्निहोत्री, you wanted to talk something?
Yeah. Yes, I am Mrs. Agnihotri.
Okay, sir. Okay, Rajat, it is coming, Rajat. Okay.
The production of leachate is not a problem. That's the natural course. And that leachate can be diluted 10 times and used as fertilizer. Another thing, the worms produced, they also help in, that is black soldier fly. That also helps in composting of the biodegradable waste.
Yeah, we need that. They make it easy.
So it's not a problem. Rather, they are help. That is either you can say that is one of the byproduct, or that is something helping hand.
कोई और है? Any other points? I just want to show you one screen. Let me share a screen, and then because today's topic was not only composting, I was thinking of making it for the, total household waste. So I'm just giving you some 8 simple ways जो मेरे माइंड में आया था उस टाइम पे. अभी just 2 hours back मैंने सोचा था कम से कम हाउसहोल्ड वेस्ट के बारे में हम कुछ immediate solution. There are 8 important areas which we can consider. Not that these are exhaustive. There are many things, but I would like to just whatever came to my mind, I am just giving it. Go paperless. पहले आप पेपर्स को कम कर दीजिए. ये भी हम वेस्ट कंट्रोल को हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. ड्यूरिंग कोविड पीरियड हम लोग सारे पेपर्स यूज नहीं किया था. न्यूज़पेपर्स वी वर ऑल रीडिंग फ्रॉम द लैपटॉप्स एंड नॉट ओनली दिस पेपर, ऑलमोस्ट मेनी ऑफ द पेपर्स विच आर लाइंग वेस्ट और कबाड़ी वाले को देना है. इमीडिएटली वी हैव टू डिस्पोज इट ऑफ. Again it goes to the garbage dump sometimes if it is not properly utilized. Number 2, I would like to say that say no to plastic. This is what everyone is saying no. We are seeing the plastic and saying no to the plastic. But again, plastics are inevitable now. It has become a very big menace for the entire world. World itself has to think over what can be the alternative for the plastic, because everything which we are getting from the market is in plastics only, and we have no other way. Even though we are doing so many works, before COVID-19 period, we were doing the garbage segregation and all those things we were doing. Saturday Shramdan was very popular in Dwarka, Delhi, for the simple reason that every Saturday all of us were standing, including Ranjana madam, all of us were standing in the parks and removing the plastics and all those things. You will not believe what kind of plastics were there. I cannot mention it here. Such kind of plastics we have found it there. And that is all not only single-use plastic. I'm saying about the total plastic in totality. The third important point which has come to my mind was switch off and when it is not needed. The modern young life has become so lavish that we are all using every kind of electricity. Energy saving is also, reducing the waste at home, in the sense your money is going out, number one. I would like to share here, once I was given a certificate from BSES, Electricity Board, that my home is a green home. And that was the 1 month. After that, during winter, it was going up. So I did not get the certificate again, due to that, using the heaters and all those things. But at the maximum, if all of us can sit in the drawing room and share our discussion, there is no need for us to have lights and fans in every room, and we can say that saving energy is very, very important. Then comes the next one.
Sorry to interrupt you here. Right now I'm also noticing that all of us who are sitting, majority of the people are using artificial light here during the day.
There is no other way, because if I'm closing it, then you will not see my face.
Yes.
If I switch off my tube light now here,
so that is on the lighter side. Yeah.
So just to be at the minimum, that's all. What I'm saying is that minimize the usage and maximize your wealth. Repair broken items. We are not using it now. I'm just reminded of my father and grandfather. My father used to get even the chappals, repaired, and he will ask me to do it. I used to fight with him. Papa, I will not wear this chappal to the school. In those days itself, we have become, prestige issue. But gone are those days, the golden days, when our forefathers were very, very economical and simple way of living they were doing. Broken items can be used. How many of us are keeping M-seal in our home? M-seal is very important, and also the quick fix and other things, we can use it for at least for reusing the things. That's what repair and use is one of the important concepts in environmental protection. Buy usable items. Certain plastic items reusable items can be bought, definitely. Even now I am having one, water bottle, which is a plastic one, but this is remaining with me for more than 15 years right now. You will be surprised to note that. Yes, it is there. 15 years I am keeping this plastic bottle. Why to throw it and again just have the minimum these kind of trays which we cannot avoid, but reusable items, yes, that is why single-use plastic has come into existence, and we are talking about single-use, avoid single-use. Now the donate old items, Gunj, Green Circle used to work with Gunj also, when we used to take our old things to the. Our volunteers are there in Gunj also, in Dwarka. They are doing amazing work, and we share our things which will be used by somebody else. This is also a good option for all of us. Instead of keeping, if you see in your house, how many electronic and electric waste will be lying in your house unused, and just it will be lying there for years together. How many of us are keeping our old mobiles? The mobile which I was using in 2000, still, if I'm keeping it, there is no point in it. We have to segregate and send it to for e-waste. Now e-waste has become one of the important areas. And reject single-use plastic. Our Prime Minister is again and again on this point. I used to carry a bag in my pocket.
Yes.
In
Bring that
bag.
vegetable bags.
Yeah, I used to carry the bag, cloth bag with me always. And sometimes I forget. Sometimes, yes, we forget it. But by and large, we must care. We can do these little things, small thing which we can do it for environment, and we can say proudly that, yes, I am also an environmental activist. Otherwise, I am not an environmental activist at all if I don't follow it. And the recycling, again, recycling is a very big topic as well as small topic also. Segregation, we need to do it. Plastic has to be, see, one of the things I would like to say here before closing, this one slide only I just wanted to share. Before closing this, I would like to say, when we were doing this Saturday Shramdan, many of the people, seniors seeing us, were appreciating us on the one hand. On the other hand, they were criticizing us just in front of us, they were criticizing. ये तो काम हमारा नहीं है, ये तो एमसीडी का काम है. एमसीडी का काम आप क्यों कर रहे हो? इसको प्लास्टिक को करना, ये गलत काम कर रहे हो, गलत. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, we are all citizens, responsible citizens for this country, and we need to do all these things.
Not this one.
Absolutely. Everyone is important. Everyone has to contribute for this thing. Otherwise, the depleting resources and increasing population will land us in trouble. Increasing population and decreasing, depleting the resources. Ultimately, next generation, we are all, many of us are oldies, and we are all just moving away. But the next younger generation, we are not leaving the earth as it is. They will curse us. मैं कोशिश करूंगा, अगर हो जाएगा तो फिर मैं then I will tell you who is doing it. But they are all doing it.
You can share the contact details. Yeah.
Contact share करूंगा, जरूर share करूंगा. और any other person?
तो हम देखते हैं कि अगर कुछ ऐसा सोसाइटी कम्युनिटी लेवल पे हो सकता है तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. एंड सेकंड थिंग थी कि कंपोस्ट का भी सेम चीज है, जैसे ब्रह्मा अपार्टमेंट और कुछ भी हो सकता है. और यहाँ पे भी सेम पॉइंट वाज गिवन बाय मी कि हम लोग जो भी ड्राई वेस्टेज है, ग्रीन वेस्टेज हमारा जा रहा है, तो हम उसका कंपोस्ट में यूज करें. तो वो भी नेगेटिव रिप्लाई आएगा, कौन करेगा, कौन देखेगा, कैसे करेगा, ये सब पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर मैं एक चीज और शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे पहले सिस्टम होता था कि जो एग्रीड के चलो कुछ मुश्किल आती है कि क्या हम ये सारा वेस्ट कहीं पे कुछ ऐसा सोसाइटी लेवल पे कर सकते हैं कि हम गाय को फीड कर सकें, क्योंकि गाय जो है वो इतना ज्यादा वेस्ट कंज्यूम कर लेंगी तो उसमें डबल साइड बेनिफिट है, उनका भी पेट भरेगा और हमारा जो इतना सारा रोज इतना वेस्ट जा रहा है वो बहुत क्वांटिटी में कम हो जाएगा. और इसका हम अगर कुछ मतलब कम्युनिटी लेवल पे कर सकें तो लाइक दो तीन छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स है मेरे माइंड में. जैसे आपने जो बताए पॉइंट्स, आई रियली एग्री विद दैट कि बहुत सी चीजों का रिपेयरिंग नहीं हो रहा, और खास करके नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को ये याद आता है कोई चीज खराब हुई तो फटक से फेंक दो, नहीं आ जाएगी. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे पहले हम लोग बॉल पेन यूज करते थे तो उसके लिए रिफिल लाकर यूज कर लेते थे. अभी आजकल बच्चों को बोलो तो अरे 5 रुपए का 10 रुपए का तो पहना जाता है, आप क्यों इतनी सिरदर्दी कर रहे हो, है ना. तो मुझे लगता है जस्ट लाइक रिफिल भी जो आपका वेस्ट में जा रहा है तो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब देखें तो वो होता है. और इसके साथ साथ ही है कि जैसे हमारे पास बहुत से लोग मैगजीन्स वगैरह ये जनरल सब्सक्राइब कर लेते हैं. जैसे हमारे भी बच्चे हैं और सोसाइटी में अपने लोगों से भी बात की है तो बहुत घरों में देखा है कि कोई भी बच्चों को आप अगर नॉवल या बुक्स लेके भी देते हैं तो बच्चों ने एक बार पढ़ ली, उसके बाद घर में पढ़ी हुई है, उसके बाद उसको कोई यूज नहीं कर रहा और आपस में सर्कुलेशन में भी नहीं जा रही है. ऐसे बहुत सारी इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग इट टू द रद्दी वाला. और मुझे लगता है शायद द्वारका में इतना हमारे पास कुछ लाइब्रेरी टाइप का फैसिलिटी नहीं है. अगर हम सब मिलके कुछ उस लेवल पे काम कर सकें जहाँ पे बुक्स जो हैं लाइब्रेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ या किसी चीज में सर्कुलेट हो सकें तो आई थिंक दीज आर द ओनली पॉइंट्स.
ये 23 सेक्टर मॉल है, उसके साथ ही एसडीएम हॉल है, उसके ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर. हाँ
ओके
वहाँ पे आप दे सकते हैं. लाइब्रेरी बनाई है, जब आपने देनी बता देना, मैं आगे कांटेक्ट करके उनको बोल दूंगी.
Vipan madam, you want to talk something?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
Sachdev is also there. Yeah.
Sorry for joining late as well.
No problem, please.
I just want to share two things. अभी कोई पूछ रहे थे ई वेस्ट के लिए, तो गुड़गांव में कुछ लोग हैं जो करते हैं, सिंस अगर और सोसाइटीज भी करने के लिए तैयार है और मुझे ये पता हो कि 5-10 लोग हैं तो एटलीस्ट आई कैन इंटरेक्ट विद दो सोसाइटीज, तो वो ग्रीन सर्कल के ग्रुप में डाल दे, ताकि मैं, क्योंकि वो जब भी आते हैं तो ओनली आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड माई सोसाइटी, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो अदर पीपल हु आल्सो वांट टू contribute or donate or give it to the companies. So there are companies with whom I generally talk them, but I don't have volume. So through you, I'm just saying everyone, if people are interested, they can give their societies so that I can give them their numbers and names exactly. So
Okay.
so that they can have at one time we can come and just have their presentation, and there we can also contribute and donate there.
मैडम अरेंज फॉर इट मैडम, अगर गुड़गांव में कोई है तो आप अरेंज कर दीजिए प्लीज।
हाँ जी, ठीक है।
फोन नंबर दे दीजिए, ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए, मैं उनको जरूर कांटेक्ट करूंगा, नो प्रॉब्लम।
जी मैं कर दूंगी, आई विल डू दैट। और दूसरा ये है कि मेरे पास एक 3 tier खंबा एक्स्ट्रा है, बिकॉज आई हैव शिफ्टेड टू लिव इट पॉट, तो आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव इट एनीवन हु इज इंटरेस्टेड टू डू किचन वेस्ट कंपोस्टिंग।
ओके ओके,
So anybody can call me and just pick from my home. There's no problem and no charges at all. Or if they don't know, so I can tell them the procedure as well. There's no problem. So this is from your, that's it.
You can share it in the WhatsApp group also. हमारे ग्रुप में भी share कर दीजिए।
I will send it. So I will send the message here in green circle as well. No problem. No problem. I will do that.
Sure.
But rest is thank you.
Dr. Sahdev.
Thank you, Selva. So kind of you to, give so much of time for us for a good cause. One thing is ekabadi.com. These guys are doing,
Okay.
They are doing recycling of the e-waste. Second, very important question. I'm trying to find an answer. I want to use it as a, earning opportunity. Or regarding the single-use plastic, can you suggest, can I start something where I can earn? If I earn, then I will put more effort. It should be profit-based. Any suggestion you can give with respect to I can collect the single-use plastic and convert it to something which people will buy. If you can suggest something, it will be good for all of us. In various cities, people can start. I heard few people are making tiles of it, but cost effectiveness and other things, I'm not very sure. Thank you so much for that.
I have no idea about this tile. Actually, I have come to know that some other people are doing, and some people, it has got some.
I have collected that, but I really don't know how to, where to give those bottles. I have a huge 3-4 big Bisleri bottles, in which I used to put all the wrappers of biscuits and all those things.
Actually, EcoBricks needs some kind of research. I am not sure about it. I have read somewhere that EcoBricks are not good, but I cannot completely say it because many people are doing it, EcoBricks. But the one which is the which we are going to put it in the bottle, how far it will be withstanding the climatic weather conditions, we do not know. All these things have to be addressed by the research only. At least once in a fortnight, I would like to call for such meetings so that different experience sharing can happen. I think some of you who are in this group must come out with some of your experiences to talk about. So thank you so much, Ranjana, for sparing your time because you are an emerging entrepreneur. Say bye.
Yeah.
Anyone?
Thank you.
Thank
you all of you to join.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks
Please
for
be in touch. Thank you very much.